Hi, Steve here with Cryptic Woodworks. So today I've got a nifty little box to show you. I've kind of nicknamed this the Roll With It box, and I'll see at the end if anybody actually has an idea why I called it that. The funny story about these, they were supposed to be Christmas presents for this year. However, I was working on these right up till the day of the 24th, and I still had a lot to do and realized there was no way I was going to finish them in time. So I did pivot and make some other signs and nice little things to give out for Christmas presents, so people still got some things. I wasn't going out empty-handed, and then after Christmas I was able to come back and finish them. So like most puzzle boxes, the idea is to figure out how to open it. Now you can see this is all made from a bit of walnut. It looks pretty solid. The front does move a little bit here, as you can see, and this top can slide just a little bit, but never enough to be able to open it. You can try a spin move. Some people like to do that with boxes. Still not going to be able to open. And, so the question is, how do we go ahead and get into this thing? Well, it's actually kind of easier than it looks. Now, I'm not sure if anybody saw what I did there, but you can go ahead and open this box up, if you really want to. So, it's not too hard to get into. It's a nice little design, I think. It's fun. Great for gifts for people that, don't want to spend hours trying to figure out how to get into your puzzle box. And it's big enough that it actually has a little bit of room to store something. And this walnut with the Danish oil on just looks great. It's a nice looking little piece. So I hope to actually keep these till next Christmas when I'll roll them out as presents. So, hey, for the first time and maybe ever, I'm actually done with Christmas almost a year early. So that's something new for me. All right, thanks for watching. Take care, everybody. Stay dusty.